This program is massive and it's already garnering some massive results. A proven converter that has already sold multiple 5 figures on a 34-minute Facebook Live to a small audience. And those initial early adopters are absolutely loving it. This system is honestly like nothing you've ever seen before. Using new auto tag technology, you can have a full year-long email sequence with 40 different income streams, dozens of pages, hundreds of buttons and lead magnets, automatically filled with your links and information without you ever having to click edit. So that means no editing any emails, no editing any pages, no editing any lead magnets, no editing any of the done for you membership areas which is full of your links, no editing anything. It is already done. You simply one-click download, sign up for a few different affiliate programs, enter your details once, and the system takes care of the rest. Simply enter your name, sign off, and affiliate IDs into a few boxes. One time, every single thing is updated automatically for you. What would take a computer whiz 6 months to set up is done in minutes with this new technology. This never before seen and exclusive technology has got people scrambling to get in on this right now, even 20-year digital marketing vets. And that desire will only intensify as we draw closer to the end of the launch, when the price will double. And this is just the done for you part. The Tailor Your Future Massive Affiliate Blueprint features dozens of trainings on almost every single traffic source imaginable, from affiliate marketing to copywriting and more. Your clients will have access to everything they need to build a profitable affiliate marketing business in record time. Not only that, but I've spent tens of thousands on bringing in the best in their fields to teach on traffic. Some of the modules in the traffic section alone sell for $997 themselves. On top of that, there's a traffic Rolodex, which is responsible for over 700,000 subscribers, live masterclass sessions, monthly coaching calls, monthly contests, and a massive amount of bonus modules and bonus resources which have not yet been announced. This is already converting like crazy and is a $25,000 package with a $1,000 price tag. But not for long. The price will be doubling after the launch and increasing to $5,000 and beyond next year. All you need to do is put your link in front of people. Let us take amazing care of your audience for a ridiculously low price. And unlike most of the other programs out there are no hidden upsells, no higher end coaching on the back end. Just one massive system which gives your audience everything they need to become successful. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download this system. We simply come to download your system, one-click download, transferring from one account to another, and it's done. That is literally it. You can see that the entire thing has been downloaded. You've got your 12 capture pages, your 12 download pages, your thank you page, your full members area with 22 separate videos and separate pages inside here. Everything. The 365 emails is downloaded into the same account. Everything. It's just that simple. In under a minute, you've got it all in your account ready to go. All of your links are updated inside of here. You just enter them once in the main members area and they're pulled into every single page, every single email, and everything is just there. Now, as you can see here, we click on the link and this pulls in your link automatically from one area where you just put your links, one for ClickBank, one for JBZoo, one for Thrivecart, one for Warrior Plus, one for any affiliate program that is included, which right now is over 40 and it's just going to grow. Every single link is your affiliate link and you don't ever have to click edit. Moving over to the autoresponder, you can see the hundreds of campaigns have just been imported into here, and then if we come into campaigns you can see all the different sequences are all uploaded, ready to go. It really is that simple. You simply put your URLs and codes from each program into one area and it pulls it into your entire system, ready to go.